So my new home is going to be at Dubai Creek Harbor. I will tell you why, and I would suggest you also to invest in Dubai Creek Harbor. They've got 1 bed, 2 bed and 3 bedroom at this moment by Emaar. I mean, over the weekend we were at Dubai Creek Harbor and spending quality time with family. We find that this community is a brand new community with a lot of vibes. You have land, you have retail outlets, you have coffee shop, you have restaurants, you have watching deck, beautiful view where you can spend a quality time with your family at the price of almost 40% less than the downtown. Why I mentioned downtown? Because this is going to be a new downtown. Okay, there is going to be a tower in between, like Burj Khalifa, which is going to be surrounded by buildings. I mean, if we go to downtown today, the biggest attraction we have is Burj Khalifa, and everything is surrounded by that. So it's a very good time if you're looking for investment, or even if you're an end user. I mean, you should be investing in Dubai Creek Harbor. I'm going to get one as soon as possible, and it's time for yours. If you need more details on this, you can reach me, and I will give you full details what all options, and I'll give you a quick tour about this community also. I really enjoyed spending time over there with my family, and I see a brand new structures. The building over there are great quality of construction, and of course what all challenges Emaar had at the downtown, they are going to avoid that in the new master community at Dubai Creek Harbor. Of course, it's not new; it's been a little while, but 1 bedroom you can invest 1 bedroom for 1.8 million, which is still very good price, early price, and it is going to go same like Dubai downtown. If you need to know more about it, you know how to reach me, and we will connect back soon. Okay.